Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox beeping sounds when pressing keys. So sometimes when you play Roblox, you will hear a sound like this. So to avoid this kind of sound, what you're going to do is just simply click this Roblox icon at the top left corner, or you can just simply press escape. Okay, and then there you will see options, and one of those options or one of these options is settings, and all you have to do is to click settings, and now you have to scroll down and look for full screen. From on, turn this one off. Okay, so if you see that you turn on this full screen here, all you have to do is to turn this one off and then tap resume. Now, once you're here, what you're going to do is to simply minimize your Roblox. So you just have to go to this area, tap this minimize here. Okay, and then after that, you have to launch your Roblox application again. So after doing these methods, turning off your full screen and minimizing your Roblox and open it again, somehow it will fix Roblox beeping sounds when pressing keys. So I do really hope that this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.